In the ancient kingdom of Eldoria, nestled between the shimmering waters of Lake Saphira and the towering peaks of the Thalorian Mountains, there was a legend known to all. It spoke of the Sword of Destiny, a blade forged by the gods themselves, imbued with the power to shape the fate of the world. The sword, however, was lost to time, hidden away until a hero worthy of its power would rise. Eldoria had fallen into dark times. The once vibrant land was now shrouded in shadows, ruled by the tyrannical sorcerer Malakar. His dark magic had plunged the kingdom into despair, and hope seemed but a distant memory. It was in this bleak era that a humble blacksmith's apprentice named Aemon found himself drawn into the currents of destiny. Aemon lived in the small village of Briarwood, a place untouched by the grandiose concerns of the wider kingdom. He had always been fascinated by the stories of old, particularly those his grandfather would tell him about the Sword of Destiny. Though he was just an apprentice, Aemon had a heart filled with courage and a mind brimming with dreams of adventure. One fateful day, while exploring the forest near Briarwood, Aemon stumbled upon a hidden cave. Inside, he discovered an ancient stone pedestal, and upon it lay a sword unlike any he had ever seen. Its blade was etched with runes that glowed with a mystical light, and its hilt was adorned with jewels that sparkled with an inner fire. Aemon's heart raced as he realized he had found the Sword of Destiny. As his fingers closed around the hilt, a surge of power coursed through him. Visions of the past, present, and future flashed before his eyes. He saw the fall of Eldoria, the rise of Malakar, and a path to salvation. The sword had chosen him, and with it came the knowledge that he was destined to challenge the dark sorcerer. Word of Aemon's discovery spread quickly, and soon he found himself leading a band of rebels determined to overthrow Malakar. Among them were Eric, a seasoned warrior, Lyra, a skilled archer, and Alara, a healer with knowledge of ancient magics. Together, they formed an unlikely fellowship, bound by their common goal and the hope that Aemon's sword inspired. Their journey to Malakar's fortress was fraught with danger. They faced treacherous landscapes, cunning traps, and fierce battles against the sorcerer's minions. But with each challenge, Aemon grew stronger, both in skill and in his belief in their cause. The sword seemed to guide him, its ancient magic a beacon in the darkest moments. Finally, they reached Malakar's lair, a towering castle of obsidian that loomed over the land like a dark omen. The final battle was fierce, with Malakar unleashing his full arsenal of dark magic. But Aemon, wielding the sword of destiny, stood undaunted. The blade cut through the sorcerer's spells, and with a final, decisive strike, Aemon ended Malakar's reign of terror. With Malakar's fall, the shadows that had gripped Eldoria began to recede. The land slowly healed, and hope was restored. Aemon returned to Briarwood, not as a mere blacksmith's apprentice, but as a hero whose name would be remembered for generations. The Sword of Destiny was returned to its pedestal, waiting for the next hero to rise when the kingdom needed it most. And so, the legend lived on, a reminder that even in the darkest times, a glimmer of hope and the courage of a single individual could change the fate of the world.